We say punch a father.
This shit.
Instant torque. Bah. Bumbo clad. That's a lamb truck?
Oh wait, is it time? Is it time to share the thoughts that's in the back of my
YouTube, we out here, man. Take a look at this clean ass M340. As y'all can see, I got my car back there. This joint is clean, fishbowl too. And it got the same interior as my car. Isn't that crazy? Red brakes. I'm thinking about changing my brake calipers too. CB, such a outside. The body business. Fish. What you doing, cute ass nigga? I'm in your city, nigga. What's up?
Be there in 30 minutes.
I'm scooping AJ real quick. We about to go to Bagel Pantry soon. Look at that cute ass nigga chat. Say what's up to the vlog, nigga.
Go y'all boys. I know. I've been going.
That shit got the quad tips too. Stop playing. Not your regular. B58 on B58 crime. You said live on box?
What are you doing? Looks different.
It look like the same one I had. But different design though.
Yeah.
That shit look clean.
I like it.
I guarantee nobody don't know what the fuck this is. This is a cage, man. So I could turn my camera like this on the tripod.
I feel great. We're out here for a few days alone. No children. And it's a little chilly, but not too bad.
With no children?
Yes.
Wait till Bella watches.
I love you guys. And I miss you. But yeah, it's great.
Is this an interview right now?
Now I'm done.
A few minutes later.
This nigga. Ain't a thing changed, huh? Wumbo clad. Motion man. Who you feeling like, nigga? Him! About to change out the intake in here today, chat. So I brought my intake here to Jersey. We gonna have that boy Stealth put it on for us. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to give y'all boys some before and after sounds. How it sounds before, after the intake go in here. Bro, look at us. We got sweatpants and shit on. You don't even got a jacket on. I know it, and it's windy as shit.
And he touching water. It's not that cold. I like the mentality though.
Make that shit straight, bitch ass nigga. You miss a spot, I'ma fire you. Miss a spot, we gon' fire this nigga, AJ. Fire you from your own job. We need to watch you in a fish boy. We need to watch you in a fish here argument here, what you chat about.
Hey, it started from early.
It started from early, man. Yo, gang, you missed a spot. Yo, come here, gang.
Yo, watch out, bro.
You missed a spot, nigga. Carbon fiber.
You got the nice
that
carbon.
Shit nice, bro. I don't even got carbon in my shit no more.
You got the nice carbon.
Rich.
How long you think you keeping it?
Rich. Huh?
How long you think you keeping it?
The torta?
Yeah.
Nigga forever, nigga. Humbucklad.
Why that sound like a lie?
Oh my god. That's a lamb truck?
Yo.
That's a lamb truck? Oh, this is my first time seeing this bitch with the grills open. So, good in a lag.
How much this was, bro? This junk tough. That's not bad.
You want one, bro? Oh, wait. Let me hear it, bro. You can't even hear shit, bro. I mean,
A little bit. It's a
hold up. Bombo clot. Smooth your fuck, me G. Oh my days.
You're not even light skin no more.
Facts. You looking like us nowadays, huh?
Alright, I gotta take. Yeah, we charge 6 bands for lips,
What?
20 bands for intakes. All that. We do everything, bro.
20 bands for intakes.
Yeah,
How much
20
is a downpipe?
band. Downpipe 65 band.
Damn.
Starting.
That's BMW price only?
Yeah.
I want to make it.
Time for the tube.
That shit really just snapped.
That boy mechanic Mike panicking, chat.
Alright.
My fault. Time for the tube. Right in eye hole.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Type of nigga to go throw a party with dinner.
What do you mean by that?
First start, chat.
That's a thumbs up.
We say punch a father.
This shit.
Instant torque.
Nigga.
Instant torque.
Nah, yo, I hate. I don't know
Shift
why.
down one. Shift down one.
I don't even know why. This shit.
Yo, mechanic Mike, take it easy on them, man.
My bad, big dog.
Take it
No,
easy
this
on
shit
them,
really
mechanic.
just verbal. I don't know why I keep driving.
Get a beamer, nigga. I'm trying to tell you.
I ain't had the heads up display yet.
Bah. Boom, boom. I just heard that.
Nah, word. This shit is wild, dog. SU, yo, like imagine an X5M.
Nah, word.
Tuned.
No,
nigga.
no. Imagine an X3 M comp. Bombo clot.
Off, yo.
2 hours later.
Yo, this is the quietest I ever heard you pulled up, man. Fish.
We in my city now.
Fish. This my city too, nigga.
I made sure he checked in with me as soon as he got to Jersey.
Check in with what? You heard that charger over there just now, though?
Yeah, he's right there.
Oh, that's him?
Ah, this shit look cool. Hold up. Let me see that shit over there. Damn.
Jesus.
That shit loud as
Wait till my shit loud like that, too.
Like that?
24 hours later.
This jersey fine, chat. This shit is so clean. And look what they say on the window right here. One stock gang, fool. Are you laughing? Shit clean as fuck. We literally just stopped over here just to come check it out too. Oh my god. One stock gang, boy. Long live my boy. This shit clean as hell. Let me get the ad on there. What's his name? Shakedown 007.
What do you mean by that?
Ain't gonna lie, pause. But look at the front end on this bitch. Oh my god. Ah! Bah.
Yeah. But you're doing the rear section, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Hello. How are you? Good. Wow.
Back outside in Mechanic Mike. See what we got cooking, chat. Oh my god. Do you think it look clean, Sydney?
What?
You think the exhaust clean? For what it is?
Yeah.
And the price? Stock exhaust clips?
Yeah.
It's before and after revs. He's getting active. Nigga just crawled up under there like a thief. Shit stressing you out, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Look at how big that muffler is.
This
Comparing
goes
to that
Plugged into a
one.
box.
right. This ain't plugged to nothing. So what happens in a perfect world is that it should have two separate harnesses. It should have one more harness. And this
Take it step by step, cause I'm on military time. 1-2 step into the fucking finish line. What's mine is yours is a lie, cause what's yours is never mine. Yeah, I'm the one who taught all these niggas how to rhyme. If you don't know who to call, just put Keon on the line.